I'm the Mopar Design Accessory Manager, and I'm here to show you our exciting new 2022 SEMA concept, the Jeep CJ Surge. The Jeep CJ Surge is an electromod, meaning this is an electric vehicle. We took a Jeep CJ and converted it to electric power. This CJ Surge concept is finished out in a beautiful copper canyon gold mist. You'll kind of see on the front end of the vehicle here, we've got a gloss black grille, these really powerful LED headlights. We've got a JK Rubicon bumper with a gloss black push bar and surf blue accented tow hooks. Moving down the vehicle, we see the black graphics with the surf blue accents and this really cool 3D printed Surge graphic on the body side. We made an EV badge that is reminiscent of the V8 badge that was on the CJ. Moving down the body, you'll see these widened flares that cover the 35-inch tires with the black Rhino solid wheels trimmed out with this really cool surf blue accent stripe. On the body side, we've got this really cool charge port door with the electrified E. We've got this really neat rock rail concept. And then moving into the interior here, between the seats, we've got a JK console with a rotary shift knob for full selectable gearing. On the dash, you're going to notice that there's a battery charge indicator, which shows you how much range you've got left on the trail. Moving outside the vehicle a little bit, we've got a custom designed roll cage with a unique bikini top trimmed out in surf blue accent stitching. To learn more about the propulsion system, I'm going to hand it over to Neil Young.
Thanks, Dan. Let's take a look at what makes this vehicle perform. The CJ Surge is an electromod that we built specifically to further our discussions and understanding of what the potential applications are for an electrified propulsion system in a crate package. And what we have here is a 400-volt scalable system, 200 kilowatt motor bolted directly to an automatic transmission with a 2-speed transfer case. And then that's powered by a 50 kilowatt hour battery. 24 battery modules are inside that shell. That's the CJ Surge, SEMA 2022.